To interpret Google Analytics filters, start by understanding the basics of how filters work in Google Analytics. Filters are used to modify or exclude data from your reports, allowing you to focus on specific subsets of data. There are two main types of filters: predefined and custom filters. Predefined filters are set by Google Analytics, such as excluding internal traffic, while custom filters are created by the user to meet specific needs. When interpreting filters, it is essential to understand the different types of filter fields, including include and exclude filters. Include filters only show data that matches the filter criteria, while exclude filters hide data that matches the filter criteria. For example, an include filter for a specific country will only show data from that country, while an exclude filter for a specific country will hide data from that country. Another key concept to understand is filter patterns, which can be exact, partial, or irregular expressions. Exact patterns match the exact phrase or word. Partial patterns match any part of the phrase or word. And regular expressions match patterns using special characters. Understanding filter patterns is crucial to creating effective filters. To apply filters in Google Analytics, navigate to the admin section and select the view you want to apply the filter to. Then click on Filters and select the type of filter you want to create. Choose the filter field, pattern, and criteria, and then save the filter. It is essential to test your filters to ensure they are working correctly and not excluding important data. Best practices for using filters in Google Analytics include using descriptive names for your filters, regularly reviewing and updating your filters, and using filters to exclude internal traffic and spam traffic. By following these best practices and understanding how to interpret and apply filters, you can get more accurate and meaningful insights from your Google Analytics data. In summary, interpreting Google Analytics filters requires understanding the different types of filters, filter fields, and filter patterns. By applying filters effectively and following best practices, you can refine your data and gain valuable insights into your website traffic and behavior. Regularly reviewing and updating your filters will help you get the most out of your Google Analytics data and make informed decisions to improve your online presence.